YouTube, got another haircut tutorial. Alright, the Q&A is coming next. I'm doing a lot of different stuff in that video. That's why it's taking a little bit longer. It's not gonna be a classic regular Q&A. I'm gonna just say that right now. Came out real dope. Brush taper. Alright, tapered a little bit of the sides right here. Came out real clean to me. We'll show y'all how I did it. But stay tuned. Wavykid Kev, I'm out. Deuces. Alright YouTube, got another haircut tutorial. First thing you want to do is comb out the sides to get the hair ready to be cut. Now I never did this cut on him before, so I'm going to use the 2-guy open to debulk the sides. And then I'm going to go with the 1-guy open since I know how low I want the hair to be. I'm gonna pick out the sides and do a freehand trim just to give the hair a little shape before I actually get into the real haircut. Now I'm just taking baby steps and I'm taking baby steps and just going over the hair again with the 1-guy open. Now starting my taper, I'm going to do a burst taper. It looks best with this type of haircut to me. I'm going to set my guideline in a triangle-like shape. The same shape, I'm going up with the lever open using my Anders cordless masters. About a 1/2 inch. Lever close, using your corners only. Flick out that middle line and adjust your lever as needed. The 1-guy open, you just debulking because the sides are already a 1-guy open, so just want to debulk. I'm adding an extra step into this taper because I want it to look as blended as possible. Close the 1-guy and flick at it as if you had the 0-guy on it. Now using your 0-guy, using your corners only, flick out the middle line. Now this is the part of the detail work. You want to frame out your work so when you go back to detail you can see the taper better and what you need to fix. the back, I'm just going to repeat the same steps. Now with this hairline, I want to bring it up more. I want to bring the hairline up, so the first thing I'm going to do is comb it up. Just comb the edges, knock it down to one guard, spray some hairspray on it, and get to lining. And you see the cut is basically done, but you always want to do extra detail work. Okay, this is how you keep clients, how you gain new clients. Just do as much detail work as you can to make sure that cut looks as good as possible, and it'll expand your clientele.